Today I got this delivery of this amazing product from Amazon and I am going to review this. This is very good product, comes in this box, car air inflator. It's with the 20,000 mAh battery and a digital screen, and it come with this recharge cable, cat C recharge cable, and it is rechargeable product. Here are the extensions to fill air in different tires, or different like football tire, cycle tire, bike tire. Here are the extension, okay, and all the nozzles, like you can use this anywhere like this. And how to use now, I tell you. Oh, just 2-3 second plus it will start, and you settle what type, how much air you want to fill, like see, then you can decrease or increase the pressure like this. From here, everything, there are the buttons, and now again you press, just it will start, like see. Yeah, this way you can use it. It is very good product and you can buy it from Amazon. Yeah, bye, thank you.